Condors, giant birds. A very big bird. Condors are hummingbirds. One wing can be almost as long as a bicycle. Condors home. These big birds like wide open places. They need lots of room to land. Condors fly high to look for food. They can fly for a long time. Condors live in high places. They dry their wings in the sun after bathing. They make nests on rocks, cliffs, and in trees. Time to clean up. Condors can eat all kinds of dead animals. They may eat a small rabbit or a big whale. Condors can eat dead animals without getting sick. What makes a condor a bird? All birds have backbone, have feather, have wings, have a bill, lays eggs. The are warm blood from the neck up. Some condors have white feather around their necks. Others are all black. Condors do not have feather on their head. Condor heads can change colors. The colors show how the condors are feeling. Condors grow up. Mother condors lays one egg every 2 years. Both parents take care of the egg. The baby condors come out of the egg after 2 months. 6 months later, it starts to fly. Condors can live almost as long as a person. There are very few condors today. People watch condors to keep them safe. The big wings in the sky. Condors are special birds. They are the largest flying birds in the world.